Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a BoxyCharm unboxing, and I'm also going to compare last month, well, this is last month's box, to this month's box. So if you guys are new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see what this month's July's BoxyCharm has in it, keep on watching this video. Okay guys, so for this month's box, this is July's month. I just got this one this month, so we're gonna go ahead and open it up. Comes on the inside with this little thing. Basically tells you what's in the box, all of that good stuff. They give you discount codes on the back for the products in the box that they send you. So open it up and voila, this is what's in the box. Okay, so in my box, I'll have one extra product for this month because last month they were doing a special on subscribing, and if you subscribe you got like a free Cover FX drops. Gosh, I can tell I've just been out of the YouTube thing for so long because I can't even remember how to show you guys my products. So these are the custom enhancer drops. This is Blossom. Yeah, Blossom. This is where you can add to your foundation to give you more of like a doughy look. Okay, so for the rest of this month's box, this is what you will get in your box. I believe there is two different varieties of some products. I think with this one you get either this or you get something else. So this is the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. No more baggage eye puffing gel, basically. Focus, 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 focus. And it says after you moisturize your eyes, warm a tiny amount between your fingers. So I guess take this, put it in between your fingers, warm it up like this, and pat it on your eyes for your dark circles or puffy eyes. Seems interesting. I have a couple bags, so you know, might give it a try. So that is the first product in this month's box. The second product for this month's box is this mascara. It is the Wonder Beauty Ice Volume and Curl Mascara Unleashed. The next product is this Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. So this is some blush. And it is from Note, it looks like. And it looks like it is made with argan oil. And it says it's supposed to brighten your face with its formula, and it does not dry your skin. So let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's cute. It comes with this little mirror on the back, and it says Note in the little blush. And then let's see. I think you can open it up. Oh yeah. And then at the bottom it has, of course, the little brush that you used. Oh, and it dropped out. The little brush that you can use on the bottom for the blush. It's cute though. Very cute. Very different. I don't know if I'll try it because I don't wear blush, but it's cute. The next product is this eyebrow cream by Chella. And let's see. Oh, it comes with the little cream on the inside. I don't know if you guys are going to see that well. It has a little cream on the inside, and then I think on the other side, on the other side there is the little eyebrow brush, flatline brush, and I guess you just dip it in there and do your eyebrows. Oh, it's very neat. It's very neat. Let's see what it says about it. It says tantalizing toothpaste eyebrow cream. Last product in this month's box is this. It looks like a palette of some sort. Let's see. Crown Pro palette, and let's open it up. And let's just see what it looks like. Ooh. So pretty. And it has the little mirror on the top, and let's see. The card comes, it tells you all the products that are on the paper, and this month's theme, which is road tripping. So this is the, wait. Oh, I dropped the paper too. I'm just dropping everything. So this is the Fuego eyeshadow collection. It is made of a rich, warm tone shades. This creamy, high pigmented palette gives you exactly what you need to create the infinite flawless eye looks. The 4 shimmer shades perfectly complement the 6 matte shades, making this palette for all your glam goals. So I see the 4 shimmer shades. They're like, they are this one. You can kind of see on the camera. This one, this one, this one, and I think this one. No, this one. That's the one. Are the shimmer shades, and then the rest are matte shades. It's very pretty. It's very, very, very pretty. Very pretty. I can't wait to try this out. Maybe I'll do a get ready with me, and we can like test all of these BoxyCharm products out. I don't know. Let me know down in the comment section, you guys. Okay, so that was this month's box. This was July's box. This box is very cute, but I did want to do a compare and contrast with last month's box to this month's box. I like this box, but I think I like last month a little bit better. It was a tropical theme. So let's just go ahead and get right into last month's box, and let's just see what was a little different and what was kind of the same. So for last month's box, I still have it in the box because I have nowhere to store any more makeup. I am completely out of space. But again, it comes with the card. Open it up. This is everything that comes in it. This is my favorite little thing that was in this box last month. It smells so good. It is literally the best thing I think I have ever smelled. It's like a lotion. It's a body butter. You can put it on your body. It smells so good. This is my favorite product out of last month's box. My favorite product, hands down. And they sent these eyelashes, which are the Baddington eyelashes. And let's open it and see. Hopefully I don't lose anything over here on my little side. They look like this. And they're just some cute lashes, which I thought was very fun. I've never seen, I don't recall me ever seeing BoxyCharm put lashes in a box. But I have been unsubscribed for a while, so I might have missed some things that they updated. They also give you this ultra long-lasting liquid lipstick in the color Veronica or Verona. I should have put this on. This is my first time getting any Ofra products, so I'm excited to try it out because I've never tried out any Ofra products before. The next thing is these pack of brushes. They gave me 3 packs of brushes for last month's box. Super cute. They are the Luxie. They're a taper highlighter, a duo powder brush, and a precision foundation brush. And they also gave in the box a eyeliner pencil, which is this one. It looks just like this regular eyeliner pencil. And then they also gave a palette in last month's box as well as this month's box, and it is the, I can't say it. A Lamar Cosmetics palette, and it's the Retina del Carver. I can't say it. And it looks like this. And I love this. It's so cute. You get the 4 glittery shades up here and the 2 mattes down here, and it's a tropical theme. Again, like the box was a tropical theme last month, so this month they did road tripping, which is still very cute, but I loved this box a little bit more than I loved this one for this month. So yes, it's very cute. And I'll do a get ready with me. Let me know down in the comment section below if you guys want to see me do a get ready with me with some of these products. And that was it for this video, guys. I just wanted to show you guys BoxyCharm's unboxing for this month. I liked it. Wasn't my favorite. Love last month's. That was definitely my favorite. But that is all for this video, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here and you're just checking out my channel, hello, welcome. I'm Brianna. I am now just starting to get back into posting videos. There will be a video on why, but go ahead and subscribe and click the thumbs up button and leave me a comment down below on whether or not you want to see that get ready with me video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Oh my gosh, bye.